guys! Hi ka, low carber! Kain tayo. So, I'm fasting 15 hours and gumawa lang ako ng simple salad with vitamin C bell pepper. Yan, para matanggal yung flu ko or more vitamin C than lemon yan. And I have berries here and pinch of salt and pepper. Also olive oil for fatty acid. And aking protein is eggs, 4 eggs, and niluto ko siya sa cow ghee, no? This is the cow ghee. This is a Asian ghee. And this is powerhouse, yan. Para siyang butter. So, if you cook something protein, you need to cook by ghee, butter, lard, tallow, olive oil, coconut oil, lard, and you will see the benefits of this. This is a powerhouse amino acid and fatty acid combined for ketones for fat adapted, because you will see it's still your body burning mode and healing mode. Kung meron kayong mga disease, cancer, diabetes, autoimmune disease, hypertension, it will heal natural if you are fat adapted. So, aralin nyo po ang low carb. It's help. Actually, here in Abu Dhabi, they have 170 person have a cancer. So, it reverse, no? Aralin nyo po. Alisin nyo lang po yung mga high carbs nyo and listen to your body and you will see it's natural. You will remove also your pimples, because this is a sign of messenger of the body that you have inflammation. How if you have pimples in your face a lot, and how it internal, no? So they have a messenger, and the signal of the food is high protein and high fat to ketones your body for fat adaptation, and your body will automatic autophagy or self healing for stem cell, no? And also if you have migraine, headache, cramps, palpitation, no energy, I use cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon, and salt, no? Sea salt is good, rock salt or Himalaya salt, 1 teaspoon with 1 liter of water. Absorb na po siya for magnesium, sodium, and mag-add po kayo ng this is potassium, so or potassium. This is cream of tartar, no? Ginagamit ko to, no? We need potassium, magnesium in our cells, sodium, and our mitochondria, they need oxygen also. So, lahat na. So, if you have, also I use sometimes, after my meal, I use turmeric. So, marami po akong routine in my body. Even wake up, actually I drink first warm water with little salt, with cloves and cinnamon. Niminix ko na siya, tapos lalagyan ko na siya ng mainit na tubig and little salt. Then inumin ko siya. Then my coffee with butter or what you call that, cinnamon pinch, or this one, the cacao powder, no? Cacao powder. Pure cacao, because that is a repairing cell. So, hope you enjoy my info and have a nice day. Stay low carb and kain po tayo. Sarap po ng food ko at mabilis po ako mabusog. And all my day will be manifest. So, stay low carb. I love you guys.